Hello, my name's Peter Townsend and I'm Senior Production Engineer at Trident Engineering.
And my name's Gary Bambrick and I work for ITC and we're a manufacturer of solid carbide tooling.
ITC is one of our technical partners for cutting tools, and together we constantly strive to improve our manufacturing process. We manufacture a part for an aircraft prime, and this has thin wall sections and small and thin base sections. We was having problems with distortion, and so I approached Gary and asked him if there's any different geometries that could help us.
I looked into the type of geometries they were already using and we decided to switch the tool from a high helix to a ITC 3081. We also changed some of the machining strategies and immediately we noticed better surface finishes and improved cycle times.
I hope this short video shows you how our collaboration with our preferred tooling suppliers has helped us utilise our cutting tools more efficiently. This in turn means that we can offer a better quality product at a more competitive price. If in your supply chain you feel that there's efficiencies can be made, why don't you challenge Trident? Thank you.